Hi guys, quick feedback on IICB1 May 2026 exam held on 19th May. So as you are aware, basically the II pass mark rule says that you need to score 50% in order to pass exam. Now let's discuss basically that how exam was. So as per the feedback that we have received from students, exam was easily manageable. That means अगर आपने अच्छे से prepare किया था तो exam आराम से attempt हो सकता है. And even there are students who have attempted entire 100 marks exam. More of straightforward questions were there, although the questions were application oriented, but they were not tricky if you have seen the past papers well. So that was a good thing in IICB1 exam. And the main thing was that there was no question from project appraisal, and to add on to the easiness was 20 mark question from balance sheet and PNL, 12 marks question from conflict of interest basically. Then there were one or two questions from financial derivatives and corporate governance principles. So overall the exam was manageable, and around 8 marks question was there on ratios as well, जिसमें आपको ratios calculate करने था and then उस पर comment करना था. So as per the feedback that we have received from student, it says कि आप अगर consistently अच्छा perform कर रहे हो, basically consistent preparation कर रहे हो CV1 के लिए, तो exam was not at all difficult. जैसे application oriented होता है, although the text basically the questions were direct, but yes, required application skills. So all the best to those who gave exams. So hoping to see your names in the pass list, and now it's the time to decide that now which exam you want to go for the next upcoming November 2026 exams. Okay, and it's important that you start straight away instead of just waiting for the results. It is better to start. अगर आपका एग्जाम नहीं अच्छा गया तो यू कैन कीप CB1 एज सेकेंडरी एग्जाम और साथ में एक दूसरा एग्जाम पिक कर लो और दोनों एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट कर दो. बट अल्टीमेटली द पॉइंट इज टू स्टार्ट विद द प्रिपरेशन. So pass mark rule remains same 50%, and based on that you have to start with your next exam. So let's wait for more feedback from students with respect to next exams, and stay tuned to our YouTube channel and Insta channel for more updates and more videos with respect to how II exams are. Thank you. Happy learning.